Hello everybody, in this Shopify tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your Shopify website. Don't forget that if you would like me to build your Shopify store for you for free, check out the description. There's a link to fill in an online form, just some basic information so that I can contact you, and I will build your Shopify store for free. You are still responsible for the monthly Shopify fee, but the building of the site by me is completely free. So let's get on to it. We're in our dashboard here. We're going to go to Online Store, and then we're going to go to Blog Posts. Okay, so now we can create our blog from here. And then what we have to do after that is we have to add the blog link to our navigation menu. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a simple post, my first blog post, and I'm just going to type some mumbo jumbo in there. Okay, I'm going to make it visible because we want it obviously to be visible. Now what you can do is you can have it hidden until you're ready to post it, or you can set it to publish on a certain date. So if you want to publish it on February 14th at 11 a.m., let's say, you can do that as well. So then it will be automatically published on that date and time. We're going to clear that because I want it visible right now. Right, we're going to add an image. I'm just going to go into my downloads. I'm going to pick an image here for my blog post. Doesn't matter what it is, really. And then what you can also do is add an excerpt, and that appears on the blog homepage. All right, so if you want just the first little bit of the blog post to appear as an expert, you can just copy and paste that. And you can format it as you want. You can make it bold, you can make it underlined, you can do whatever you want to it, just like you can in a normal word processing environment. So it's going to show you what the search engine listing preview of the blog post is. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, by default, your Shopify website comes with a blog called News. All right, so you can keep that blog and post to it, or you can create a new blog if you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep the default blog name called News. I will show you how to create a new blog later on. And then we're going to add tags, my blog, my business, every tag separated by a comma. And a tag is just keywords associated with your blog post, maybe marketing, whatever it might be. And then we're going to save the blog post. Okay, and it's going to save that blog post, and it's going to create the blog. It's taking a little bit of time here. All right, so now it's been saved. What we have to do now is we have to add that to the navigation, because unless you add that blog post to your navigation, people won't be able to click on it. So we're going to go to Navigation. We're going to go to Main Menu. So right now we have Home and Catalog. Obviously no blog post, or blog menu, sorry. We're going to click on Add Menu, and we're going to call it Blog. Okay, we're going to click there, and now if we go through here, you can see that Shopify has some standard kind of links that you can create. So a search, collections, products, pages, blogs, blog posts. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on blogs. And the only blog we have is news, is called news. Okay, so we're going to click news. We're going to click add. Now we have added our blog to the menu. We're going to save that menu. You would obviously do that to the footer menu as well, but I'm not going to worry about that. So what I want to do now is I want to view the website just to see how it's going to look. So right beside online store, you get the little eye here. We're going to click on that. It's going to load up the website. Okay, I haven't really done much with it yet except added a couple of products and so on. But here you can see on the menu we have blog. I'm going to click there. Okay, so there's the blog post. Now don't worry about the feature because I put a really big picture on there. So it's not normally going to be that big. But then you can see our blog has been created with a read more link. Okay, so if you want to edit that, let's say you think, oh man, that picture's way too big. Let's go back and edit it. Okay, that's pretty easy to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our blog, to our online store. So we're going to go to blog posts again. So here's our first blog post. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to remove the featured image because it's way too big. Now I don't know if the featured image is generally that big, so we'll have to see. So let's upload an image. I'm going to choose this cute little pig here as the featured image. I'm going to save it. Going to switch back. Going to click on the blog. And it does actually look like it's usually pretty big, the featured image. So choose your featured images wisely. So what I'm going to do just for fun, let's try this. We're going to go here. We're going to click the picture. So we're going to insert this same. We're going to upload an image. This is how you upload an image to your blog. All right. So we're going to add that image. We're going to make it medium and insert an image. We'll save it. We'll click read more so we can see what our post is going to look like. There's the featured image. And did it not put him in there? Doesn't look like it put him in there for some reason. All right, we'll have to figure that out, what's going on there. But anyway, that is how we add a blog to our Shopify website. Now, what happens if you wanted to create a new blog? Okay, so maybe you have different blogs for different topics. So we're going to go back to blog posts. We're going to leave the page because we don't really need to save that. Okay. So we're going to add a blog post. We're going to call it my second blog post. Blog post number 2. Okay. And what we're going to do now is where I'm not going to add an image or anything like that, but where it says which blog do you want to add it to, we're going to say create a new blog. And so the blog title will be my business. Okay. I won't worry about tags, so we're just going to save that. Now again, if we go to navigation, if we go to main menu, if we go to add new menu item, I'm going to call it blog number 2. You would normally only have one blog. I'm just doing this to show you how to add a new blog to your website that you have created. So we're going to go to blogs. We're going to go to my business because that's the one we want to add. We're going to add it. We're going to save it. We're going to refresh the website here. Now we should see blog number 2 on the menu. We'll click on that. And now we have a second blog called My Business. Okay, now the reason the post isn't showing up is because I have it hidden, as you can see here. So I'm going to go to my second blog post. I'm going to make it visible. I'm going to save it. And now if I refresh that, now we can see my second blog post is there. So that's how you add a blog to your Shopify website. Don't forget, like I said, please take advantage. I will build your Shopify website for you for free. Check out the link in the description for the form to fill out. All it asks you is a little bit of information about where I can contact you and about your business. And I will personally build your Shopify site for free. Hope this tutorial was useful to y'all. Have a great day.